I just got a package. I did something. I've been wanting this for probably 5 years, and I finally decided to get it. It was actually a really, really good deal. And a girlfriend of mine had a referral code, and I ended up getting $70 off the machine, and she got $50 in credits on her account. So this is like a belated birthday present for myself. Here she is. I just decided to get, like, it's a smaller model. I am so excited. And this kind of, oh, I just opened it the wrong way. Or is that how you're supposed to open it? Maybe she was put in the wrong way. Oops. I mean, all the money that I've been saving for making my coffee at home, because when I was going into the office every day, I always treated myself to a Starbucks coffee. So, and I haven't spent any money on Starbucks. Okay. Get her out. So this is the Nespresso Virtual Pop Plus. And when you ordered the Pop Plus, you also got, they were having a deal where if you ordered it in the black, which I did, you could get 50 pods for free. So I ended up doing that. I just got the black because I find the white sometimes stains. So let's see what else I got. Okay. This is the, oh, I think this is like the starter pack. Yeah, this is the starter pack. I'll show you in a second. I don't know what this, oh, and they sent me, I got this for free. So everything ended up being $128, including the shipping. Oh, that's very cute. A little container to put the pods in. Oh my God. That's a lot of boxes. I also got the descaling. This was $10. Okay, so I think when you buy the machine, it automatically comes with this welcoming pack where they give you a whole bunch of different ones. So exciting. So here you have all cute, and it connects to your phone. I thought that was, I mean, nowadays, you know. Ooh, look at that. It's like when you get a box of chocolates and they have, you know, what each of the chocolates is. I think I find that's what this is. Okay, so this is like the sample pack. Then I got the descaling because, you know, I mean, I won't need to use it for a while. Okay, so then it came with 5 of, so the deal was if you bought one of the Pop licorice color, I think that's the color they were saying this one is, then you would get 50 pods. You couldn't pick, so they would just send you these 50 pods. So this is the espresso scuro. This one is the altissimo. Oh, so that's stronger than that. This is the Melozio. This one is the Intenso. So more intense than that. Let's put it over here. And this one is the Odazio, which I really like mild coffee. I don't like strong coffee. So we'll see. Sarah at work, my work friend, she said this one is her favorite, the Melozio. Okay. And then this was also a gift. How cute is that? It's to put all the capsules in. And then I ended up getting these ones. And there was a discount on, well, it was a $70 for like, I guess when you buy a new machine, when you're a new, that's the little thing. When you're a new customer to Nespresso, you would get the 70 off. Okay, so then I got this Sunny Almond Vanilla because my son loves iced coffee. I got this Golden Caramel. What else? The new, can't see, Maple Pecan, which my girlfriend Sarah said she didn't like too much. Then we have the Sweet Vanilla. And then this is the another iced coffee because my son, that's what he drinks, iced coffee. So I thought I'd get that. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to use it. As far as where I'm going to put it, I know. I ended up buying just a baker stand, baker cart, or whatever you call it, baker stand, to put here. So then I can put my parents' coffee maker on there and the Nespresso. And that's supposed to come tomorrow. So I'll set it up tomorrow and I will show you. And I have to read the instructions for the machine. Don't know if I'm going to use it today or if I'll wait until tomorrow. But I will show you. I am so excited. I've been wanting one for probably over 5 years. And my coworkers are probably sick and tired of me asking all the time if they're happy with their Nespresso, if they use it, if it's worth it. Because I didn't want to spend the money on something that I'm not going to end up using. And everyone said, you will use it. You will love it. You will use it all the time. So, yeah, I can't wait to use it. I'm very, very excited. So this is my dad's coffee espresso machine. This is a Delta. It's a Portuguese brand. And that's what they use when they're here and make coffee. So the Nespresso is like the same size. Cute. But see what I mean? Like with the white, it tends to then go off in color a bit. I'm glad I just went with the licorice. The licorice was the one that had to deal with the 50 pods and the little container. It's glass. It's really nice. And it has a little, it says Nespresso. Super cute. Excited. So the first thing you're supposed to do, I already washed this, and this is the part where the empty pods will fall into, and it did a firmware update, so it's good to go. And now we're gonna you're supposed to do a cleaning cycle. So for that, I filled up the water, and I have bowl here, and now you're gonna press the button 3 times and let it run the cleaning cycle. turned red, I guess, or orange. Oh, yeah. Machine finished running the cycle. Oh, it's warm water. Yeah, it's warm water. So, and it comes with this the stand thing. And there's 2 settings for it. You can have it on the lower setting, or you can do it further up, so there's less splashing, like if you have a smaller cup. And it used about 3/4 of the water tank. So part of me wants to try it out, but it's 3 o'clock, so I don't know if I might make like an iced coffee, and like an iced latte. Maybe I'll do that, because there is one of the pods. Bianco doppio. What does that mean? Does it taste like that? Maybe I'll try that. I decided that I'm gonna make a protein iced coffee. So I have my glass over here. I'm gonna add some ice to it. I'm gonna do 2% milk. This is the high protein milk. So there's 14 grams per 1 cup. So we're gonna put a cup in here. So that's a cup of milk. We're gonna do a scoop of protein. Because I haven't had my protein powder yet today. Do I put in the coffee first? No, I'm gonna put in the milk first. And the protein powder, oh, that's gonna be too full. Maybe not so much ice. Let's take out some of the ice. Because this cup is, I'm pretty sure this cup is 20 ounces. Okay, so that should be good. And now let's make our coffee. For the coffee, I'm gonna use the, what is this? Bianco doppio. Let's open it up and drop it in. Close it. And oh, it smells delicious. I gotta remember what it is because it smells so good. Now let's put in our coffee. Okay, now let's have a taste. Oh my God, this is so good. Wow. Okay, I need to remember this. Definitely getting more of this one. The protein powder is vanilla, but it has like this, does that say caramel? It is so good. It says vanilla custard pie. I wonder if that's Bianca doppio. Oh wow, 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 wow. That is fantastic. Fantastic. Really good. As soon as you open it, I think that's with every, did I already dirty this? Yeah. As soon as you open it, yeah, the capsule falls into the little container over here. So that's nice. And just like that, it is Friday, March 7th. Today is my son's 22nd birthday. He's my baby. So, well, not a baby anymore. He towers over me, but it's his birthday. And yeah, 22. I can't believe I have a 22-year-old. So I finished the little coffee station. I set it up, and let me just show you. So I bought this baker's rack on Amazon just so that it could fit in this corner. Let me just back up. And I think it looks pretty good because I wanted it to sort of blend in but not be overpowering, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So this is the little Nespresso pop and the little container that came with it. And I also put my mom's coffee maker and then my dad's espresso machine. They use it while they're here. And my dad's old radio too. Not sure what I'm doing over here. Right now I have the extra pods in here. And because I'm not familiar with the pods yet, and I don't know what we like yet, I'm just leaving them like this. That way, you know, we can check the package and see what it is and see if, you know, until I know exactly what pods we like to use, I'm going to leave it like that. And then we'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I want to get like, we don't use a lot of sugar, but my son sometimes does. So maybe get a sugar bowl for there. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with it. I am so happy with the Nespresso. I love using it. On the menu for tonight, we have focaccia, of course. They always request focaccia. So I made the dough last night. It's in the fridge. I am going to prep it now because it needs to rest for 3 to 4 hours. And it's 1 o'clock. It's my lunch hour. So I'm going to do that. And also we're going to do chicken Alfredo. So that's going to come together pretty quick. And a Caesar salad, of course. And as far as cake, every year I ask him what kind of cake he wants. For the longest time now, every time he always requests a giant cookie cake. So we're making a giant cookie cake. I'm probably going to make that now too because it needs to cool so I can put the frosting on later. Dinner is probably going to be around 6:30ish. Because he's coming from university and my daughter is working until 5. So it's perfect time. Just a late dinner for us. We usually like to have dinner at 6. So let me prep the focaccia. I have the recipe for the focaccia already on a previous video, but I can put it on this video as well. For the cookie, I have the oven at 350. And I put some parchment paper in a 9-inch cake pan. And I'm just going to go around and cut off the excess. And I'm also going to spray I have avocado oil, so I'm just going to spray the sides lightly. Did I say the oven at 350? Okay, next we're just gonna cream some butter. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. And we've been making this recipe for years, like I said. And it's just like you're making a giant cookie. I'm using light brown sugar or golden sugar packed. And then white sugar. I'm just going to cream it for like 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Okay, the butter is nice and fluffy. Now I'm going to add in my egg. I'm just going to stop it and scrape down the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to add in, here I have the flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and what that does is the cookie will be nice and soft. I have baking soda and salt, and I'm going to add it into our egg, butter, sugar mixture. So you just want it to be all incorporated. Once it's all incorporated, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of chocolate chips, and I like using the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, all done. So now all that's left to do is press the cookie dough into our cake pan. So it's just like a cookie dough, like it's pretty thick. It's not like a cake dough. Now you just want to make sure that it's all even. So I like to just take a few more chocolate chips and put them on the top and then just press them in. Okay, so now it goes in the oven for 21 to 23 minutes. So I baked it for 22 minutes, and you want the outside to be golden brown and the middle to be set. You don't want to overbake your cookie. So this is perfect. Now I'm going to let it cool and then remove the cake pan, and I'll ice it later. Okay, for the icing, we're just making a very simple chocolate frosting. I have a stick of butter, and now we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of cocoa. I'm gonna shift that in, now I can't remember the word again. I know someone corrected me the other day. Sift. We're gonna sift in our cocoa powder. Gotta add in some vanilla. I just actually realized that I didn't add in any vanilla to the cookie. So, I missed that. Okay, so, and a pinch of salt. And now we're gonna blend it until it's smooth. Start off slow. Okay, so it's smooth now, and I'm gonna add in the icing sugar. We need about 2.5 cups. So I've added 2 cups. I'm just gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl before adding the other half cup. Okay, half cup. So I've been adding like every half cup separate until a total of 2.5. Oops. Okay, so now we want to add 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Start with 2 and just see. You want it for it to be nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to scrape it down again. But as soon as you add in the milk, it becomes really fluffy. So I think I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon because it seems pretty thick still. And it really depends on the consistency you love. The consistency you like for your icing or your frosting. So here we have our frosting, and I got my what do you call this, pastry bag with a star tip, and I'm gonna pipe on some little stars.